A square lawn has a 2-meter wide path surrounding it. If the area of the path is 136 meters square, find the area of the lawn. Now consider a square ABCD. Here the side of the square AB is equal to x meter, and a square lawn has 2-meter wide path surrounding it. So these all sides are 2-meter wide. Now EF is equal to x plus 2 plus 2 meter is equal to x plus 4 meter. Thus, each side of new square is x plus 4 meter. Now, the area of the square ABCD is AB square is equal to x square meter, and area of the new square EFGH is equal to EF square, that is x plus 4 whole square meter square. Now to find area of path, we have to subtract area of ABCD square from the area of EFGH square. So we get x plus 4 whole square minus x square meter square. Using BODMAS rule, we solve internal bracket first. Here, as per identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. These things we discussed previously. The link is given in description box. Here, x plus 4 square is equal to x square plus 16 plus 8x minus x square is equal to 16 plus 8x meter square. Now, if area of the path is 136 meter square is given in the problem. So, 16 plus 8x is area of the path. From these both things, we get 16 plus 8x is equal to 136 meter square. After solving this, we get 8x is equal to 120, and finally x is equal to 15 meter. Now, area of the lawn is equal to 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to 225 meters square. Thus, friends, here we obtain the area of the lawn. I hope you would understand these problems. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Thank you.